How to lock mic on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to lock mic on your voice club room on Amo app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo app. Once you are here, click on the profile icon and go click again on your profile icon. Go to your Amo room, and now all you need to do is choose one of your emo members and click on them. You're gonna find those options. Choose one of those options, which is lock mic, and like you see, you're gonna have a lock on their screen, which is they mean locked. You can unlock again by click on unlock mic, and you can unlock their mic again. So this is it guys, don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful to you.